Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Viv and I'll be teaching you how to take good care of your skin. So today I want to teach you how to best apply the mud mask on your face. I know a lot of us have been using our bare hands to apply mud mask on our faces, but you actually stand the risk of getting breakouts, so you don't get to entirely enjoy the benefits of the products you buy. So this is a mix-up of the face mask I made some days back, and normally I just use all together on my face. I use 1/4 of this spatula, so I'm not going to use more than 1/4 of the spatula, so I just put it in here. I don't know if you can see this. So I put it in here, and that's it. So I shove the jar back. So I'll be teaching you how to use the concealer brush to apply a mud mask on your face to get best results. So watch me apply this. Warning, this is going to be really scary. Alright, here we go. I forgot to mention, first of all, before I did this video, I had already washed my face, so you would need your face to be thoroughly clean from dirt so it doesn't get clogged with the mask. So you wash your face, just make sure that you have a cleansed face before you apply this mask, and you have to avoid the eye areas. So here we go.
Being broke, then it's staying on sick, right? Do it for my folk trying to get by. Came through the struggle with my head high. Being broke, then you know what it feel like. I said being broke made me rich. 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 Gotta keep the stove hot so it cook right. If everybody eating, that's a good night. Gotta take a loss, so I took flight. Hard times made for a good life. I said being broke made me rich. 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 Never fell in love with the cocoa. Never had to hold up the stove with the fofo. Never had the dough kicked in by the feds when I'm laying in the bed on the bread that I'm gon' blow. But I do know what it feel like to go to school with the knockoff shoes, eating free lunch, trying to act all cool. Well, you better know that we paid our dues. Never would I trade that, cause it made me better. Could've made me bitter. Can't buy that struggle, can't name no figure, but it made me richer. Yeah, being broke made me rich, and being low made you quit, but being low made me high. Take time if you want this, let's go. Being broke, then it's staying on sick, right? Do it for my folk trying to get by.
So you don't need so much of this mask on your face. You just need 1/4 of the spatula. I don't know if you got that right. You do not need your mask to stay so long. I know most of us go to bed with our face mask, but as convenient as that is, it is not so hygienic. You let the germs, unseen germs that could be resting somewhere, stay for so long on your face, and we do not want that. So in as much as it's so convenient to sleep with the mask on your face, you don't want to do that. You might just want to wash off the mask and use a serum on your face, then go to sleep. That way you actually allow your face to breathe, you allow the pores to breathe. So I'm going to show you what my face would look like after this mask has dried out. I'll show you how you could also get to treat your face or brighten your face, to have your face having the same complexion as the rest of your skin.
Came through the struggle with my head high. Being broke, then you know what it feel like. I said being broke made me rich.
To save you all the trouble from washing the sink and all the time, here's what you do. And since we're using a face towel after you wash your face, instead of letting the germs on your face towel crawl up on your face after you've washed off the face mask, it doesn't really make sense. So what I normally do is that I heat up water, and okay, that's my water heating up now. So I heat up water and I soak the towel in the water and I use it to cleanse my face. Okay, so here's my wet towel, and watch me as I use this to clean my face now. This towel is wet and it's hot, like me.
Being broke made me rich. Being broke made me rich. Gotta keep the stove hot so it cook right. If everybody eating, that's a good night. Gotta take a loss, so I took but the struggle got me richer than I ever been. Learn to hustle, use your muscle, learn to grind and keep your mind up on the future, man. We came out them trenches, government assistance in the beginning. Keep them cans for the pennies. We saving that grease after dinner. Now they counting all my pennies, counting all my figures, all up in my business, man. Now they watching what I'm spending, wonder what I got and wonder how I get it, man. I was ballin' for I had $1, being empty-handed made me stupid rich. Rich and loyalty can't pay the lawyer fee, but it's all good as squad pitching in.
Broke and staying on sit right. Do it for my folk trying to get by. Came through the struggle with my head high. Being broke, and you know what it feel like. I said being broke made me rich. Being broke made me.
So I'm going to recommend 2 products that you can use on your face after you've done masking and you've cleaned out the mask on your face. So personally, I would like to use the peeling oil because I love the feel it gives my face. It doesn't only take out spots and prevent acne and all that. It also cleanses my skin. So I use that as an oil cleanser. I don't use alcohol cleansers anymore ever since I discovered this product.
Gotta keep the stove hot so it cook right. If everybody eating, that's a good night. Gotta take a loss, so I took flight. Hard times made for a good life. I said being broke made me rich. Being broke made me rich. Being broke made me rich. Being broke made me rich.
I want to use this. I also use it on my lips. It's safe. And it smells good. It smells really good. It smells so edible. But you don't want to eat it. No, you don't want to eat it. So because I have oily skin, here's what I do afterwards. So I get a piece of serviette, tissue paper.
Church closed the first installment. You ready? Let's go. Let's go. St. Louis, my city, dog. West side, what's the block? While you was in the crib playing with Legos, I was out there trying to get blocks. Mama gone, daddy gone, just me.
Okay guys, so I hope you learned something new. If you have questions or recommendations or any kind of comments or even feedbacks, I would really appreciate it. Write it down in the comment section. And also, if you really like this video, please kindly share this video and don't forget to give a thumbs up. And for more videos, subscribe to my channel. I love you guys.
Just me and my hood dog, shoe whooping, beamed up like I'm about to go play baseball. Before you ever heard about Jeezy boy, I was already on some trap or die. Was a goon, boy was cool. You can still see the pain in my eye. What you know about sitting in the jail cell? Felonies.